Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make garlic lime wings. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. I've cut the tips off the wings and separated them into the flats or wingettes and the drumettes. Save the tips in a bag in your freezer and you can use it the next time you make chicken stock. Pat your wings dry. Heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For the spices, I'll be using some cumin. You can use already ground cumin, but this just tastes better because it's freshly ground. Put the ground cumin on the chicken. Salt. Fresh ground black pepper. And garlic powder. Garlic powder goes in most of my wing recipes. Mix this up really well. Clean hands are the best tool for this. Now they're thoroughly mixed and now we can bake the wings. You can bake it directly on a sheet tray or put parchment paper down. This way they won't stick. I don't recommend using aluminum foil because the wings may stick to the foil and when you try to turn them, you're going to get little pieces of foil with the wings and you don't want that. So either directly on the tray or on parchment paper. The back of my oven tends to be hotter than the front of the oven, so I put the drumettes in the back because they're thicker than the flats. We've just fit all of them on the tray. Now we'll bake them in the heated oven for 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll turn them over and cook them for another 20 minutes. They should be golden brown when you turn them over. If you are going to bake them directly on the baking sheet, make sure you put a little bit of oil on the sheet before you put the chicken on. It's been 20 minutes and I just took the wings out. They've got some color and that's all you need. Now the skin side's going to be down and that's going to get golden brown. You don't have to be too worried about how they look because we're going to cover them in a sauce. So just turn them all over. These are more golden because, like I said, the back of my oven is hotter. Okay, now they're all turned over. They can go back into the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. 20 more minutes and the wings are done. Now we'll make the sauce. Melt some butter in a pan on low heat. While the butter is melting, you can grate garlic right over the pan. Let the garlic cook on low heat, just until it loses its raw flavor. Zest the limes right into the pan. The lime zest hitting that hot butter smells good already. The garlic is cooked now, it's lost its raw flavor. Now we can squeeze the limes right into the butter. Salt and fresh ground black pepper. Taste and add more salt and pepper if you'd like. If your limes are really sour, add a little bit of honey or sugar to balance it out. Add the wings to the sauce. You might not be able to fit all the wings in the pan, so just do it in 2 batches. Toss the wings in the sauce. Take these out and then toss the second batch. You'll make these wings again and again because they're so easy and addictive. The lime zest, garlic, and butter sauce is perfect with the cumin spice chicken. I love the bright flavor of the lime juice. It really wakes you up in this cold winter. These remind me of summer, so that's another good reason to make them. If you want to get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.